If we're unable to settle your case with the insurance company for the other driver, then the only choice we have left is to file a lawsuit against the other driver. Now, a lawsuit is begun by the filing of a summons and complaint against the other driver. Once we've filed and served the summons and complaint on the other driver, then the lawsuit has begun, and the insurance company has a duty then to step in and defend the other driver. Now, the first thing that happens after a lawsuit is filed is the discovery phase. Discovery is when each side learns about the other side's strengths and weaknesses of their case and their position. This is done in a few different ways. The first is interrogatories, which are written questions that have to be answered under oath that are sent from one attorney to the other attorney. The second way is a deposition, and that's basically a recorded interview where the other attorney gets to ask you questions under oath before a court reporter who takes down everything that you say under the penalty of perjury. In discovery, an IME can also be done, which is an independent medical exam, which is where the defense gets to send you to their doctor for examination so that their doctor can form opinions. Now, once the discovery phase is done, we can typically then move into the ADR phase, which is alternative dispute resolution. That can be done two ways, either mediation or arbitration. Those are two words that sound a lot like each other, but they're very different. Mediation is basically a facilitated negotiation where we meet with the other party's lawyer, with the defense lawyer, and a neutral third-party mediator, and that mediator goes back and forth between the parties and tries to get everyone to agree to a settlement. The other process I mentioned is called arbitration. Arbitration is more like a miniature version of a trial where each side presents their case to a neutral third-party lawyer who is an arbitrator, and then much like a judge and a jury, that arbitrator then gives an award or gives an opinion about the case, just like a judge or a jury would do. Now, if the case doesn't resolve at all those different phases along the way, then ultimately it will go to trial in front of a judge and a jury. Although it is very similar to what you see on TV, it is also very different. In trial, there are a few things that can never enter into the courtroom, one of which is the existence of insurance. And that's a big surprise to most people, that when you sue a driver who rear-ended you, caused you injury, and you go to trial against them, you can never, ever mention the word insurance in a courtroom.